Welcome. If you want to open Sound Equalizer in your Amazon Echo Studio, at first you have to open Devices tab. Next you have to go for your device and select Settings. Right now go for Audio Settings, and in this place you can find Equalizer, where you can change the bass, mid-range, and also treble. So you have to tap on minus or plus. You will get notified on every change with this lightning indicator right here at the top of your speaker. You can also enable or disable the stereo special enchantment. And in this place you can find the sound equalizer of your Amazon Echo Studio. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.